Hey guys, I'm here with you today to show you the NMV-LED series from Rab Design. When you're installing a box for the NMV series, basically you want to install the box at a 45-degree angle so that your conduits are straight, as well as this piece will seat properly on the 4 holes. So now that you've prepped the back box, you've got your wires through. I have quick connects on here, but you can also use wire nuts and morettes. Basically, we're going to connect to the leads of the light. Now when installing this, you're going to have to fold the wires just around the middle part here. And then make sure that this seats properly with the 4 screw holes. Now if you've already installed your box at a 45-degree angle, this should be very simple and they should all line up.